Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Witch's Brew Frappuccino straight from Starbucks. You can make it in your own home. It's very simple to do, so keep watching. I'll show you step by step how to make this. The first thing we need to do is start off by soaking our chia seeds. I just have regular chia seeds. I know Starbucks uses the green ones, but we're going to use regular chia seeds here, and I'm putting it in a mason jar, and I'll show you why in just a moment. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Then we're going to soak this in 1 tablespoon of water. Now put your lid back on, screw it on tightly, and what you want to do is shake this up vigorously. And after you do that, typically we want to put this in the refrigerator overnight and let it soak and let those chia seeds really plump up. But if you don't have that kind of time, here's a shortcut. We can just shake this for about 3 or 4 minutes straight, and that will help it out a little bit. It'll plump it up some. So now just let this sit in there and soak in that water as long as possible. We're going to add these pretty late in the process. That way we give it time for it to soak even longer. Now to make the actual Witch's Brew Frappuccino, what we're going to do here is I have a blender, and to that I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Next, I brewed some coffee, really strong coffee, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of that to the milk. And what that is, I don't have the Frappuccino flavoring that they have, so this is kind of going to be a substitute for that. Next, about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then a whole teaspoon of orange extract. Now I have some gel-based food coloring. This is purple, of course. Put a few drops of that in there. And then I have 2 cups of ice I'm going to put in there. And I might need to add more. It depends on the thickness, so we'll see. And we're just going to blend this up until everything's well combined. There we go. I think it's the perfect thickness. Now what we need to do is prepare our cup. And since it's a Starbucks cup, usually they write a name on the cup. I'm going to put Witch's Brew. The next thing I'm going to do is take our chia seeds and put it in a piping bag so I can put it strategically around the cup. So if you don't have a piping bag, you can use a plastic like Ziploc bag, a little sandwich bag. It works fine. Just cut off the end to it. And you could also just take your chia seeds and just sprinkle around the cup. I really want to make sure it looks really good. Now I'm going to cut a rather large hole as an opening. And we're going to take our cup and we're just going to go into different spots here and squeeze out our chia seeds, and hopefully it'll stay on the sides. Usually pretty good about it. Come on, chia seeds, stay there. That is the hardest part of this recipe, is trying to keep the chia seeds against the glass. Now what we're going to do is pour our Witch's Brew Frappuccino right into our glass. I'm just using a spoon as a guide because I don't want to knock the chia seeds down. There we go. Perfect amount. And we'll just sprinkle on some of our Cool Whip on top and some sprinkles. Green sprinkles, of course. And let's not forget a straw. There you go, our Witch's Brew Frappuccino. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to try out our Witch's Brew Frappuccino and see how we did. has like a orange cream taste to it, almost like a creamsicle. Tried to get some chia seeds that time, and it has a different texture to it. It's nice. The chia seeds, you can soak them longer and they will be more like gooey, but depends on how much time you have. But it's a really good Frappuccino here. I hope you can make it for yourself because it's a lot of fun. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Witch's Brew Frappuccino. It was a lot of fun making this, and it's so simple, so easy. You can make it in your own home. It tastes amazing. So I hope you get a chance to make it for yourself, and if you do, please share with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also, if you're new here, please hit that big red subscribe button. You get new videos all the time. For the whole month of October, you'll get a video every single day, so check back tomorrow. For right now, check out the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those. And until then, I'll see you tomorrow.